Hello and welcome to my channel, Make English Easy. Lesson number 6, Consonant blends with Magic E. Do you know what this image is? Let's learn to spell and read. Crime. K plus R equals cr. Cr. Repeat after me. Cr. 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 I. M. Crime. Crime. Repeat after me. Crime. 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 Now it's your turn. Now practice with me. Cr. I. M. Crime. Say it again. Don't forget to try and read the sentence at the end of the video. This is a crime scene. Crime. Repeat after me. Crime. 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 Wow, well done. Now it's your turn. Cr. I. M. Crime. Cr. I. M. Crime. Can you read this sentence? This is a crime scene. Repeat after me. This is a crime scene. This is a crime scene. This is a crime scene. Repeat after me. This is a crime scene. This is a crime scene. Let's do it one more time. Crime. This is a crime scene. Repeat after me. This is a crime scene. This is a crime scene. Crime. This is a crime scene. Great job. Well done. Keep practicing every day and you'll soon be reading. See you in the next lesson.
With teacher Mick, alphabet to reading. Learn with teacher Mick, reading really quick. Yeah, yeah. Teacher Mick.
Ta-da! See you next time.